to my vlog again. So this time, I want to tour you sa Misho Day Hotel, which is located in Dipolog City. So, sa town lang talaga siya, guys. So, I'm gonna let you see kung ano makikita nyo sa room. Sige, sa front muna tayo, ha? So, actually, yung keys nila, well, this is a smart thing, di ba? Pero, hindi siya gumagana. Siguro, I think may something wrong. But, may keys naman sila. Lock nila. So, guys, if lalabas kayo, ito makita nyo, ha? Nasa town siya, but wala man siya ng signal yung globe dito, guys. Right? So, I'm gonna show you there. Yun, parang lobby yan siya dun, guys. Nandito rin. Tingnan natin. Ito yung hallway ng rooms nila. You can do the stairs and there's the lobby. This is their lobby. Saglit lang para makita niyo talaga. Second floor lang to. So, this is our room. Yun. Ganito. Sorry guys, ano yan? Kalat na. Kasi it's 2 days na kami dito. Yun. You can see, meron silang lalagyan ng taran, dress. Ito yung bathroom nila. Hindi natin, ha? So, here, malinis naman yan, guys. Bathroom nila. Yun. Actually, if you will be going to Dipolog, nasa heart of the city kasi talaga to. So, it's good na. This is 1799. So, isang malaking bed and maliit. Yun. Then, may mirror sila. May ref. Yun. May wifi. Yan yung aircon nila. Then, this is the room. Sorry, makalat. Yan. That's our room, guys. And then, dito, yeah, may lobby siya. So, I hope nakikita niyo yung lobby. Hindi ko na-open kasi gabi ako nag-video. Yun. This is, naka-promo siya, guys. Usually, it will cost you, 3,598. Naka-ano na yan siya. Naka-promo, 1,799 per night. So, if you happen to visit Dipolog City, so, aside from the Ariana Hotel, which makikita nyo din sa vlog ko, eto din, recommendable siya na pwede kayo magstay. Malapit siya sa Boulevard, malapit siya sa Save More. Nasa town talaga siya and napapabilibutan siya ng mga madaming establishments where you can discover. Kaso nga lang, walang masyadong, mahina talaga ang signal ng globe dito within Dipolog. So, malakas yung signal nila ng smart. Pero regarding sa wifi nila, hindi rin masyadong malakas yung wifi nila dito. And yun yung problema ko kasi buffer talaga, hindi siya that much. So, if you are working, tapos gusto niya talagang gumamit ng internet connection na strong, so hindi siya pwede. But I think you can inquire sa front desk kung paano siya pala kasi. Pero guys, every room, meron namang nakaganyan, meron nakaganyan sa room nila. Kaso nga lang, nag-go on and off, and minsan, mawala talaga yung internet, mahina siya. So, if you are working, if you will having your vacation here, yes, I recommend. It's very relaxing. But kung leisure with work, yung nangangailangan kayo ng internet connection, well, hindi ko siya may recommend kasi yung internet nila quite mahina. Pero maganda siya, guys, na hotel and pagstayhan. Very comfortable and very budget friendly, you know. It's 3,799 1799 per night. 'Diba? So, with free breakfast na rin. Yung breakfast nila guys is downstairs lang sa Ati-Atihan Restaurant. And then, sa downstairs din guys, aside from Ati-Atihan Restaurant, merong Coffee Ruby. You can dine in there with coffee. Masarap naman yung coffee nila and also the pastries. And they have also David Salon sa ground floor and also Coffee Ruby. Oo, the Coffee Ruby and the Chicken Ati-Atihan. And usually, dun din yung breakfast nila. Kasama na yung sa 1799 na promo rate nila, guys. So, I think that's quite cheaper na rin and magandang offer. So, guys, if you will visit Dipolog, please do, isali sa options ang Michelin Hotel sa kung saan kayo mag-stay. Alright? And, see, pakita ko lang yung room ulit. Yan. So, yan yung room. Very cozy. Relaxing naman. Nakaka-relax and nakaka-rest talaga. Sorry if makalat, but that's it. Ito yung room. Malaki siya. And hindi malamig naman yung aircon. Fully functioning. Kaya, recommendable talaga siya. Alright? So, siguro, mahina ang internet, you can bring your own, or kung hindi bring your own yung para sa internet connection, you can inquire sa labas or sa front desk on how para mapalakas yung internet. If you are having a work and leisures na gusto nyo dito mag-stay, ma-relax while working using your internet connections or using internet, alright? Kasi minsan yun yung gusto natin. Magandang room, magandang internet connections. Alright, para always connected sa mga social media natin and also sa work. Baka may mga work na kailangang ng internet connections. Yeah. Oo. This is the second hotel that I do vlog for Dipolog City kasi andito kami ngayon. Maganda naman talaga siya. Now, relaxing. Yan ang mood. And also, they have smart TV pala, guys. And you can order through this. Pwede siya i-deliver sa room. Yan. Deliver sa room. Then, smart TV. Pero hindi ako naka-on. Or, kagabi. With the news. Tuwingin kami ng news. News. Yun, guys, no? Maraming salamat pala sa panonood na always ng vlog ko. It's a very simple and raw room tour for Michelin Hotel, which is located in Dipolog City. And thank you pala so much, guys, sa pag-support sa vlog ko. Always, kahit hindi na ako parang everyday na nag-vlog kasi it's so much busy. But I will see to it na babalik ako na mag-upload ako para continuous. Alright, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please do comment down below kung anong ma-comment nyo sa video na to and sa review ko sa hotel. Thank you so much, guys. And I think until here na lang ang vlog ko. See you sa next vlog ko, guys. Maraming salamat. Bye!